In this video, I'd like to do an application problem involving finding the equation of a line through two points. Let's look in particular at this. Let's let x be the temperature in degrees Celsius, and y be the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the relationship between these turns out to be linear. Y equals mx plus b. And let's try to find this equation. Well, of course, we're going to need some data. And let's choose as that data the boiling point of water and the freezing point of water. So in degrees Celsius, water boils at 100 degrees. In degrees Fahrenheit, water boils at 212 degrees. And the key thing to recognize here is that I've just given you a point. I mean, if you have an x and you have a y, you've got a point, x comma y. In this case, the x coordinate is degrees Celsius. The y coordinate is degrees Fahrenheit. So this point is a point on this graph. And we'll do the same thing with the freezing point, 32 and 0. This point is a point on this graph. And now we are looking for the equation of a line that goes through 2 points. And we'll take it step by step. It's a very algorithmic process. We need to find the slope, which is the rise, divided by the run. Just as with the distance formula, I know I've mentioned this before, but it does not matter which of these you select to be x1, y1, and which of these you select to be x2, y2. I think I'm going to make this x1, y1, and this x2, y2, but I selected that at random. Now we plug and play. Y2 is 32, minus y1 is 212. X2 is 0. Minus x1 which is 100. And let's simplify this. Let me pause this recording just for a moment. WolframAlpha.com is an incredibly powerful mathematics tool. We don't need it to be incredibly powerful for our purposes, though. We just use it as a calculator. And we get a slope of 9/5. Let's get back to that notebook. Step 2, find B. We know that y equals 9/5 x plus b. We're going to take one of these points and plug it in for y and x. I think I'm going to take the second point because the numbers are smaller and I like small numbers. 32 equals, and this simplifies nicely. 9/5 times 0 is 0. So 32 equals B. And we always remember our last step. The problem was not find x and b. The problem was to find the equation of the line. And there we've done it.